Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is the all-new done-for-you marketing campaign for Tranont. If you don't know what Tranont is, it's okay. I'll school you a little bit more about it, but you can actually check some of my other videos about the whole thing about what Tranont is. But in this video, what we're going to be going over is everything that is included in this done-for-you marketing campaign, online marketing campaign, I should say that, because there's offline, there's online, but this is for online because we know that there is a need for online presence when it comes to business in this day and age of this digital technology. So we're gonna dive right into it right now, and what you're seeing right now on my screen is actually the back office of where you can actually obtain the done for you marketing campaign for Tranont. So this is pretty cool. So what you will have to do is log into your back office for Nowsite. If you don't have that, feel free to contact me. We'll get you going with that one so you can actually have access to it. And then what you're going to do is actually going to join a team, but I've already joined the team for this one. You will actually click where it says join a team, type in done for you, and that'll pop up. I'm already a member for Tranont done for you, so that's great. I'm going to go into this right now. This is a brand new thing, so we're going to click on the teams. Now, I'm in the team section right here. We're going to go to the content section. With the content section is where you'll find everything, and we're going to go over everything that's included in this done for you marketing campaign, online marketing campaign, so you can see exactly what you'll get and how beneficial this will be for you and your business when it comes to marketing online. Because we know that a lot of people like to market online, but they don't properly know how. And yes, we know that Tranont gives a lot of tools to help their affiliates and their members and their reps to market online. They actually have a app that's called Tranont Go, but this is going to help this with the whole follow-up, and we'll go through all of that and step by step on what it can do for you guys. So with that, we're going to jump right into this one. We're in the content section. We're going to click on the Tranont Go done for you again. Pull this over a little bit. So this is what you'll get. You'll get the Tranont done for you right here. You get sales funnels, opportunity funnels, email campaigns, so email marketing, social links of different how to find Tranont. So you actually can put your replicated websites in this, or if you have if you have Instagram that you use to promote Tranont, you can do that. Facebook, your page, or your Facebook group for Tranont, your LinkedIn group if you have a LinkedIn page or group for Tranont. Same thing with Twitter if you're using that to market on social media, and of course the replicated websites. So right here you have some of the product videos. You can always add more to this one too. That's the great thing about this. I'm pretty sure it's going to be updated as we go too. The more stuff that Tranont comes out with, we'll probably just update more into this platform for that. You see, this is one of their main product video demos. Tranont Life, Mojo. This right here is videos for the opportunity. So if you're interested on what all of Tranont is and like what's the opportunity behind Tranont, you'll find these videos right here. Compensation plan, the welcome and business overview. Great video, by the way. That's done by their executive vice president, Craig Cotter. And then you have little stuff in here for marketing stuff like ebooks and lead magnets, all right here that's included. And you can add more. More is going to be added to it, of course. You have social images from Tranont that you can use to post on social media, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, things like that. So it's pretty cool, pretty nice. I'll try to open one of these up and see what it looks like. See, so if I wanted to, I can just go here, download it, and boom. Your health is an investment, not expense. Nice little quote, right? Go back to this, close that. So you can actually store things in here, and it keeps that. So you can add more stuff to it as well. Pretty nice. I'll open up some of the the email campaigns. I really like this one just for the fact that you can actually use this to follow up. So I actually have an email campaign. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I already downloaded it too, but I'm going to show you guys. But easily you can just download like this. Boom. Takes you to the email campaign. This is what it looks like. It's 10 of them. A 10-day series email campaign. I'm going to open one up so you guys see what it looks like. It's kind of a generic one, but it can be edited how you want to. It's this right here. Actually, whoever it gets sent to, it gives them their name because you actually capture the leads, and then it'll send it to the lead, and it'll include their name in that section right there. So it says, "Thank you for your interest in this epic opportunity by taking this first step." Blah blah blah, and just goes all into everything like that. Pretty generic or general, I would say. Great opportunity email. But what's nice is that it just follows up. So you can actually set this, go back a little bit. I can set it to go out however I want to. So if I want to, I can have it go out immediately. Minutes, hours, days, months, all that. That's just very nice on your custom marketing way of how you want to. There's no way you can do that. I mean, you can do this for yourself. You can do this for your whole team. All depends on what you want to do. So we're going to go back. So those are, I'm not going to go through each and every one of these emails, but you get the gist of it. And so people are getting your emails, staying top of mind of your business opportunity or Tranont in general. And you can include the products or the services in these emails too. I do some of them myself, and it's nice. So you're always at top of mind when it comes to letting people know about your opportunity or your products or services, what the business and the company offers. All right, what's next? The sales funnel. It's pretty nice. So the reason why they do this is because it's marketing. You want to capture those leads. You want those hot leads. You want those people to opt in so you can always market to them and not feel like you're being a burden, and you're always constantly on the top of mind. That's the whole purpose of a capture page. So this is what it looks like. The first one is 2 parts, real nice. Has a little nice eye-catching feel to it. They enter their name, phone number, email. Learn more. And then you go to sales funnel number 2. It actually reverts them to sales funnel number 2. Not like this. I'm just doing this for time's sake. Actually has a little breakdown of everything. You have some videos, some good bullet points of Tranont. You know, we love this one. The Inc. 500 is always great. Tranont is first and only health and wealth education company. Lovely on that one. Videos on Tranont. We have Tranont's full, just leaders and all that stuff. Nice looking capture page. It gives some information to people about what this is. And then it goes into it. So they can actually click on it and you can put your replicated website into this one. So now you capture the lead. It'll redirect them to that so they can sign up and get everything going and be a part of your team. Or if they don't choose not to, or they forget, sometimes people forget. So that's why it's great to have that email lead campaign. So that now they're getting emails, all that stuff. But what's nice is that you can actually have a 90-day email campaign if you want to. Because you can add on to it. You can always edit stuff and change things as you want to. So we're going to go back. And this is opportunity funnel. So this is nice too right here. That's part 2. We'll do part 1. So part 1 is right here. It says start living to your fullest potential. Watch this video. We know that video right there. If you're in Tranont, you know this video. It's nice because I'm actually in that video for a quick second. Some good friends right there. I know a lot of these people. Once again, you capture the lead, name, phone number, email. Click that. Boom. It will redirect them to this next one. And then to a G program right there, G for You program, and more. This is our peaking video for Tranont. and everything is actually straight from Tranont and what they've created and everything like that. That's what's nice about this, is that there's no gray area. There's no not being in compliance with compliance with what's supposed to be in compliance. Is actually everything from corporate, what they're using, what they're putting out, what they're giving to the affiliates and their reps and people who actually are using Tranont. Just little things, tidbits for that. Amazing, just everything right there for you guys. You know, it's really nice, real efficient, and real effective. Great way to market your business online, so you don't get caught up with anything. Has some information about here, and all this stuff can be edited to if you need it to. So completely up to you how you want to do it. But this is for those who are not that skilled, or could be just, hey, let's say you're green behind the ears and you're not sure of marketing online, but you know that it's important because, hey, with everything that happened this past year in 2020, online is where it's at. So we had to pivot and really focus on online, and here we go, another way to be able to have a advantage and not get left behind when it comes to marketing your business online and taking advantage of that with all the sales and the opportunities. And if you're building a team too, you can do the same thing. So that's for the most part. Let me go over this a little more. Is what is included with for the done for you marketing campaign for Tranont. You can create your own teams. That's nice. I have my teams called Team Legacy, Living Legacy. It comes with what you have as CRM, all that stuff, content, add stuff on there. Teams, I'll show you that's my team. Let's see where it's at. Team manager. So some of my teams, got to add some more people to it because I actually cleaned it up. So we're going to get that rocking and rolling again. But yeah, so that's just with the done for you things. There's more to it if you actually decide to that you want to get more in depth with it. You can. There's a lot more to it. You can see it on the side with Nowsite alone. You can actually get the SMS beta, so text messaging marketing too. I'm very excited for that one. But that's different. That's not included with the done for you. So hopefully you like what you saw. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or give me a call. My number is in the description below. That's my direct number, and you can text me or call me. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have, and hopefully you got some value from this one. If you did, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that big red button below, that big red subscribe button. Yep, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that little bell, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out some new videos, so you might want to check it out because you liked the last one. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this video, and hopefully you got some value from it. And if you're curious, contact me. We'll get you going. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed, guys.